In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish product in Printify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a product you've already created in Printify ready to appear in your online store. Before we start, make sure you already have a Printify account and at least one product saved in your catalog. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Printify. This is the quickest way to get to the site if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results appear, look for the official Printify website. It should clearly show the Printify brand and the secure lock icon in your address bar. Choosing the correct link helps you avoid landing on a lookalike page or a third-party site. Click the official Printify link to go to the home page. If you're already logged in on this browser, you might be taken straight to your dashboard. Otherwise, you'll see a sign-in option at the top right. Go ahead and log in using your usual credentials. If you use single sign-on, select that option. You may be asked to complete a quick security check. Just follow the prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on the Printify dashboard. From here, navigate to the My Products section. You'll typically find it in the left-hand menu. This is where every product you've designed or saved lives. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the exact product you want to publish. When you see it, click on the product to open its details page. On the product page, take a moment to review the key details you're about to publish. Double-check the title, description, selected variants like sizes and colors, pricing, and your mock-up images. This quick review helps ensure what appears in your store looks the way you expect and reduces the need for changes later. When everything looks good, click the Publish button. You'll usually find it in the top right area of the product page. Publishing sends your product from Printify to your connected store platform, such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. You may see a brief confirmation or settings prompt before publishing proceeds. After you confirm, give it a moment while Printify syncs your product. The status will update when it's finished, and you should then see the product appear in your store's product list. If it doesn't show right away, refresh your store dashboard and wait a minute for images to finish processing. That's it. You searched for Printify, opened the correct site, logged in, went to My Products, selected your item, and clicked Publish. You're ready to go live with your product.